Tuntrum video chu thil chi sang aron pol deu hlek dona ma se ngai to na ti thui fe fe an ni hlom dona angai nom bokang Cardi B le Illuminati ti chungchang te milar te hi control ani le ni lo chungchang te ani dona atop thlengin mi lo thlir sak ve don ya.
The sunburst flowers calling on roses overdue, but I
Illuminati te chanchin hi chukan shenwal to hlomanga shelo kan omarin omlo celebrities tam tak te hi aruka control an lo ni renga ngem entirnan Cardi B kha music industry aron lut chan dek deka kumsak ni som pasaria a album hasaber tour invasion of privacy ami single boda ki yellow aron release khan namen lawin aron lar ta ngalani kha Khovela milar beron ni ngalin thil kha thleng ngal zung zung maya alama saber mani se bodak yellow wang chuan Grammy hiala nominee roni in Khovela rapper larber aron ni tader mai tuna chuan red carpet a interview lai hi en lokila amak reu maya ache dan hi apa ngai lo
No, but it's good. No, it's good. You gonna be good. It's a good show.
Afiam thu po ani mai the ma se amel le ache ron top thutin aron pa ngai le khan engma thlenglo ang mai khan om le si a engun pa ule makti mai turani mitam tak chuanin Illuminati tenen hian anin kungkai ani ang aril rui control ani anga alar chakdan em te kha Illuminati te puina nen lo chuan ani theilawang ti nan ring hlela tuda video kan en le tur hi alar tak ma ami ani
I love my family but man Illuminati which one of my cousin you want for that dick yeah
kachung te hi ka mangai ma se Illuminati khana pangthi tan khan ka janjing mi to ber hingi indu ati a fiam thuang in soima se atongkam hi amak riawa
I love my family but man Illuminati which one of my cousin you want for that dick yeah
a Instagram story a devil horn a manglai te manga voitam tak devil horn a siam ba ka akut mangin 666 asiam na thalak po mu tura tam hle he video a hian Spanish in azaya chiang takin Illuminati ti aron chamtel in shetheyang
muchos me quieren bajar pero no voy a caer muchos me quieren bajar pero no voy a caer no entiendo bye con el flow luminari
ka video kha march ni som kumsang ni som paruka mi ani a alar ma mi ani ti chuan kumkhat nu cha jun kumsang ni som pasaria chuan bodak yellow chu aron release ta bodak yellow hit sia chu kan shevekang a career hian Cardi B hian Illuminati ti tongkam hi alar ma atang to aman na satzia ti khan kan shecheu ome voi khata Instagram live a thu soi hingai thale lo kila
if something happened to me just know that the government try to kill me because I believe that America be trying to kill you
kachunga hian eng po thleng se sarkar hian min ti luman tum ti hilo shero u achan chu America hian tha che tumani atia anu le pate po kumsom rukan tlin chuan US chwa santi radu thua soibuka Dominican Republic lama son atum thua soi
I want to move my parents out of America. Like, let me tell you something. Like, my grandmother from my mother's side, she died when she was 75 because she used to live here in America.
kapi po kumsom sari panga ani inathia achan chu heta America hiana chen wangani ramdanga ti chuan kumza chuang andama ti in asoitum ber chu US sarkar hian mi te hi ti hlumatumani ti hi baka thlai shing organic anti damdoi pollo first stick takanti te hi a oilo thu asoitel boka
To lettuce and how do fruits last so long out here? How does it travel from places to places and last so long? I don't give a fuck if they say that the chicken and the food is organic. I don't believe it's organic. Like, I don't believe nothing here is organic. I feel like they trying to kill you.
Baka kumsom pakwa atlina stripper ani ma khan supermarket a thok thina thlai kalvel dan chu a hrachiang khopang Athu soite po hi adik na lai tamang ei tur thlai te ven him na chemical san man zo zai te boruak thlenga enge ti po shet lo zam chin te thuruk enge mo tak chu a omani America ami te an thi ma big na chan phena hian Cardi B po hian dam lawon en kuldan le an thusoi tam tak te a shet thiam lo thule sarkar hian mi puite thiwat turin andu ani ti hi arin thu a soina sa ani chuan heng thil zong zong hi enge a chan ni ang boina lian tham tak mai chu overpopulation hi ani control a har lia sarkar hian aruk hian thil alo tiru reng ani theyangim le entirna an thil ho te te tang chhuat no na le in ti faina man ruwa tam tak te hi juice an ang em hloma tingi hetiang em a juice ang tur hian an siam baka makle deuh mai chu dora hankal reng hian dor sang heng detergent juice ang tak te le juice tak te hi anda dun tlang pui zel le ngal entirnan chhuat no na te dar thalang no fai na te hi anila juice an ang hlom em a tingi hetianga ang turan siam kher ei tur lemte abura hian an tilang zia le ngal entirnan he furniture shuk fai na te hi chumai baka he hair bleach hi cereal a an zia hi overpopulation hi boina lian tham takani to a heng thil heng sang te hi population control na ruwa man na ani theyangem hetiang juice ang tak ni silo thil dang da ya po enge mo lo e pa se tuman an king thei chuang lo a chan chu ei lo tur ti hi a in zia thlap awangin khuvela hian juice kher lo po engemo kan thihna thlen thei tu tur tam tak hi alo in phum ru cheu mayangem kumsang ni parukhan Texas Poison Center Network chuan in chung ti faina in pal accident case somkwa pali lai lo siak lut nge atir lama kan soi milar te hi control an lo ni reng theyangem ti kha han soi le lo kila khatianga Cardi B maktak maya aron omte kha CIA MK Ultra Mind Control Program noya a omwang ani ring hi an tam hle boka a mele a che runtang thotte kha an control na programming lama glitch an ti mai tanga oma ama po khapa ngai taka om lai aron tang thot mai ani an ring MK Ultra Mind Control histoya tam ema celebrities le politician te maktak maya life ati an chet hian an nervous wang ni lovin US sarkar top secret mind control na waya an oma system aron chian lo thuta wang ani an ring chin milar ta hian a chang chon mind control na waya an omna satlu tuk to awangin tunge an ni ti te thlengin an thengil zawa maktak takin an cheta thin ani hetiang mind control na hnuai om nia an rin an system glitch wanga milar telan chindan an lan chhuana chiang taka mu thei video te hi en haule ila
the Holy Ghost. Anyway, there is a lot of memories today, actually. It's a big day in music history.
35 years ago today, Elvis Presley passed away, the king of rock and roll. And as Mark Cohn says in his great song, Walking in Memphis, there's a pretty little thing waiting for the king down in the jungle room.
The house is here. But it's been a heck of a ride, to be honest. I really can't complain. I was I was a little down when I found out I was injured and I had to have surgery again, or with another knee. But at the end of the day, I have amazing teammates. Guys like Draymond, everybody on this team.
Some of you may know him as Eminem, but he's going to join the Saturday night crew with our music intro starting next Saturday night. But folks, I want to take you to the world premiere of new videos called Berserk. Linda, who was helping produce that with you, Marshall, when you did that? Yeah, sorry, live TV.
Right here in the middle.
So for Christopher Joe Rivera, Sporting News, what specifically about Adams, you mentioned the roadmap to success, what specifically aligned with what you guys want to do and what you guys envision?
Manish. Rich?
For Adam, Rich Samini, ESPN.com.
Bruce?
Adam, Bruce Beck, WNBC TV.
Leading up to that, that's
Slowly kissing.